all of a sudden my Kindle has this unusual like effect on its with its lens or something. I don't know if it got dirty or I don't know if it's an internal mechanism issue because I did drop the Kindle yesterday, but it's okay. It's not necessarily a bad thing. It's March 29th, 2022. Okay, there you go. It's from the toilet seat we got. It's the way it's designed. It hurts my, it's just the way it's shaped. Okay, now, Mom, how's your Acai Goji berry lemonade I made you this morning?
It's nice.
It's nice? Yeah?
Yeah.
Does it break up the mucus a bit? Does it?
I don't know.
See, the purple color in the drink is from the acai berry powder I add to it. Two-thirds of a level teaspoon worth. And I diluted it with a 16.9 fluid ounce bottle of filtered spring water, but I poured you a portion of that.
Okay.
It's about half that amount. I give you about a cup's worth in there.
Oh. Okay.
But yeah, the whole before I divided it in half, the measurement I had used for the acai berry powder was 2/3 level teaspoon of the acai berry powder. Because of the purple color in it, that's the naturally occurring iodine I had found out when I looked up the iodine content.
Yeah.
And it's based off of the assumption that iodine in when I took chemistry class appeared purple from what I could remember, or when I had also gotten tested in the past, I believe with a got some type of lab work done. I got some type of lab work done where they like scratched my gum and they found they did a test and it looked like a purple stringiness, and so I remember that's probably what's going on